We all have one, an old smartphone, tucked away and forgotten in a drawer, buried beneath a tangle of charging cables, keys, and other odds and ends. Maybe you haven't thought about it in months, or even years, or perhaps it's just sitting on a shelf, quietly gathering dust. Its screen smudged and its battery long since drained. It's easy to overlook, but that old device still has plenty of life left in it. Sure, it's not the latest and greatest anymore. The screen might be scratched, the case a little worn, and the software a bit outdated. But don't let appearances fool you. There's hidden potential inside. Instead of tossing it in the trash or letting it collect even more dust, why not give it a brand new purpose? Imagine transforming it into your home's newest guardian, a smart security camera that keeps watch when you can't. With a built-in camera, microphone, and Wi-Fi, your old phone is actually a powerful mini-computer just waiting for a second chance. It's more than capable of keeping an eye on things for you. Imagine being able to check in on your home, your pets, or your loved ones from anywhere in the world, without spending a fortune on new equipment. All you need is a little creativity and the right app. This isn't a complicated project reserved for tech experts. In fact, it's a simple, budget-friendly way to boost your home security and make use of something you already own. You've already paid for the phone, so why not get even more value out of it? There are plenty of free apps available that make this transformation quick and easy, with just a few taps. Repurposing your phone isn't just smart, it's also eco-friendly and cost-effective. You'll keep electronics out of landfills and save money at the same time. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to turn that forgotten device into a live streaming security camera, ready to help protect your home. We'll explore which apps work best, how to set up features like motion detection and night vision, and the smartest ways to position your new camera for maximum coverage. No technical expertise required, just follow along step by step and you'll be amazed at how easy it is to give your old phone a second life as a security device. So let's get started and put that hidden gem back to work, turning yesterday's tech into today's smart solution. Not all old phones are equal, and when it comes to repurposing one as a security camera, some are definitely better suited than others. The good news is, you don't need the latest flagship or a phone packed with cutting-edge features. Most smartphones released in the last 5 or 6 years are more than capable of handling the job. Even if your device isn't the newest, chances are it's up to the task if it's been reasonably well cared for. For example, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S9. Its 12-megapixel camera and 1080p video recording deliver crisp, clear footage, plenty for monitoring a room or entryway. You don't need ultra-high resolution. What matters is reliability and clarity. You don't need a powerhouse, just a phone with a decent camera, stable Wi-Fi, and a working charging port. These are the essentials for turning your old phone into a dependable security camera. The battery doesn't need to be perfect since the phone will stay plugged in most of the time, but it's important to avoid any device with a swollen or damaged battery. Safety comes first, so check for any signs of wear or bulging. Before you get started, a factory reset is a smart move. This wipes your personal data, frees up storage space, and gives the phone a fresh start, making it run smoother and more reliably for its new purpose. Make sure the screen works for setup and that the camera lens is clean. A smudged or scratched lens can ruin your footage, so give it a quick wipe with a microfiber cloth. If you have a choice, older flagship phones often outperform budget models from the same era. They tend to have better cameras, more reliable hardware, and longer-lasting components. The phone's battery acts as a backup if the power goes out briefly, so even if the lights flicker, your camera won't immediately shut off. This can be a lifesaver for short outages. Reliable Wi-Fi is crucial, since that's how you'll access your camera feed remotely. Test the connection in the spot where you plan to set up the phone to make sure it's strong and stable. With these basics covered, your old phone is ready for its new role as a security camera. It's amazing how much value you can get from a device that might otherwise be collecting dust. Next, we'll look at the software that brings everything together and transforms your phone into a smart surveillance tool. Your forgotten device is about to become your vigilant eye, keeping watch and giving you peace of mind, all with just a few simple steps. The secret sauce to transforming your old phone into a smart security camera is a specialized app. My top pick is Alfred Camera. It's a trusted favorite among DIY enthusiasts and beginners alike, thanks to its reliability and ease of use. Alfred Camera is incredibly user-friendly, with a robust free version that offers live streaming, motion detection, and instant alerts right to your phone. You don't need to pay for the basics, and the interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even if you're not tech-savvy. The magic happens when Alfred links your old phone, now the camera, and your current phone, the viewer, using your Google account. This seamless connection means you won't have to deal with complicated pairing codes or confusing network setups. Simply install Alfred Camera on both phones, sign in with the same Google account, and assign roles: camera for your old phone, viewer for your main device. This step is straightforward, and only takes a few minutes. The setup process is guided and quick, no need to mess with network settings or advanced configurations. The app walks you through each step so you'll never feel lost. On your old phone, make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi, then install Alfred Camera and select camera mode. This turns your device into a dedicated security camera, ready to stream video. On your current phone, install the app, sign in, and select viewer mode. This is where you'll monitor your live feed and receive alerts. The app will automatically detect your camera device, so there's no need to manually search or enter codes. It's all handled for you. Within moments, you'll see a live video feed from your old phone on your main device. You can check in anytime, from anywhere, as long as both devices are online. It's that simple. No cables, no confusion, and no need for extra hardware. Your workspace stays tidy, and your setup remains hassle-free. Now, you're ready to position your old phone wherever you need an extra set of eyes, on a shelf, by the door, or in the nursery. You've just unlocked a powerful new use for your old device. Next, let's fine-tune the features that make your security camera truly smart, like customizing motion detection zones and adjusting alert sensitivity. Your DIY security system is just a few taps away. Let's get started and make your home a little safer. With the app installed and paired, it's time to activate the smart features. Enable motion detection in the app settings. Adjust sensitivity to suit your space. Night vision is software-based. Set it to auto so the camera brightens images in low light. Remote access is automatic. Check your live feed from anywhere with internet. Use two-way talk to communicate through the camera. Great for pets or family. Enable notifications so you get instant alerts and video clips when motion is detected. Each alert includes a thumbnail and a short recording of the event. Tap the notification to review the clip or jump to the live feed. These features turn your old phone into a proactive security tool. No extra hardware, no monthly fees required. You're now set up for real-time monitoring and instant alerts. Let's see how well your new camera performs in action. Your home security just got a major upgrade. Time for a real-world test. I set up the Galaxy S9 on a bookshelf covering the main living area. In daylight, the 1080p stream was crisp. I could read book titles and see my dog's expression. Motion detection worked instantly. A notification popped up as soon as I walked by. The app captured a clear video clip of the event, just as you'd want from a security camera. At night, the app switched to night vision. Images turned monochrome but remained bright enough to see the room. While not as sharp as true infrared, it was more than enough to spot movement in the dark. Another motion alert captured my movement in near total darkness. For indoor monitoring, this software-powered night vision is surprisingly effective. High-end CCTV might offer clearer night images, but for most homes, this is more than sufficient. Your old phone can now keep watch day and night. Let's make sure it stays reliable with the right setup. Your DIY camera is ready for action. Physical setup is key for reliability. Keep your camera phone plugged in at all times. Use the original charger and a quality cable. Place the phone high up, like on a bookshelf or in a corner, for a wide view and to deter tampering. Use a tripod, flexible mount or strong tape to secure it. Check Wi-Fi strength at your chosen spot. Move your router or use an extender if needed. Turn down screen brightness and enable Do Not Disturb to save energy and avoid interruptions. Use Alfred Camera's Power Saving Mode to dim the screen automatically. Your goal: a silent, dedicated camera that runs smoothly 24/7. With the right placement and power, your DIY camera is as reliable as any store-bought model. Now, let's talk about storing your footage safely. Your setup is almost complete. When motion is detected, Alfred Camera records a short clip and stores it in the cloud. Even if the camera is stolen, your footage is safe and accessible from your viewer phone. The free plan keeps clips for about 7 days, plenty for most users. Event-based recording saves storage and bandwidth, making it easy to review only important moments. Want more? The premium plan offers longer storage, longer clips, higher resolution, and detection zones. Premium also removes ads for a smoother experience. Detection zones let you focus on specific areas, reducing false alerts. For most, the free version is enough, but premium features bring your DIY setup closer to a pro system. Your footage is secure, organized, and always at your fingertips. Let's cover a few things to watch out for. Your security system is nearly complete. Be aware of a few limitations. Continuous use can cause phones to overheat. Avoid direct sunlight and check the device regularly. A stable Wi-Fi connection is essential. Outages mean no alerts or live feed. Software night vision works best with some ambient light. It's not a true replacement for infrared. Battery health can decline over time. Inspect for swelling and use a quality charger. This setup is best for indoor use. Outdoor conditions and extreme darkness require dedicated cameras. Check your camera phone every few weeks for safety. Despite these minor drawbacks, the benefits far outweigh the risks. With a little care, your DIY camera will serve you well. Now let's see how it compares to store-bought options. How does your DIY camera stack up against a Ring or Wise Cam? The biggest advantage is cost. Using an old phone means zero initial investment. Even with a premium app, it's far cheaper than buying a new camera. You get HD streaming, motion alerts, cloud storage, and two-way talk. Features found in top-tier cameras. For basic indoor monitoring, your old phone performs just as well. Dedicated cameras are built for 24/7 use, offer better night vision, and are weatherproof for outdoor use. They also integrate more seamlessly with smart home systems. Still, for renters, students, or anyone on a budget, a repurposed phone is a practical, effective solution. It's not a full replacement for a multi-camera outdoor system, but it's far from a gimmick. Give your old phone a new purpose. You'll be surprised at how capable it is. Your new security guard is ready to protect your home.